Hello, welcome back to class. Today's class is a quick vinyasa flow. Even though this class will be quick, it'll still be a full dynamic practice. There's no props needed, so whenever you're ready to go, join me at the back of your mat in a kneeling position. Let's take a moment here just to connect to the breath, connect to our breathing. This is a good way to gain some separation in the day. See if you can lengthen the inhales and the exhales, breathing predominantly through the nose. Slowly open the eyes. Place the hands forward in front of the knees. Let's begin with a wrist warm up. So tuck the toes under, begin to rock forward and back. Internally rotate the hands, continue to rock forward and back. Externally rotate the hands so the fingers are facing the long edge of the mat. Rock left and right. Maybe take some circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. Flip the hands so the fingers are pointed towards the knees, lean back. Good, shake the hands out here. Reset the hands into a tabletop position. Let's warm up the spine through some spinal segmentation. So inhale, drop the chest, head goes up. Exhale, round down. Inhale, drop the chest, head goes up. As you exhale, head goes down, round the spine. Inhale, drop the chest, head up. Exhale, round down, round the spine. 2 more on your own. Good, let's find a neutral spine here. Inhale, right arm goes forward, left arm goes back. Engage the core, tuck the tailbone. Awkward table. Set the hand down, set the knee down. Inhale, left arm goes up, right leg extends back. Again, tucking the tailbone under, engaging the core, connecting to the breath. Set the hand down, set the knee down, curl the toes under, hips go up and back, downward facing dog. This is your first dog of the day. Feel free to pedal the legs out, stretching through the hamstrings, the calves. Now let's reconnect to the breath here and begin to find some stillness in this posture. When you're ready, inhale, right leg goes up and back. As you exhale, round forward, step the right foot on the outside of the right hand, lizard lunge. Feel free to bounce here, open up the fascia. On your next exhale, straighten the front leg, push back into pyramid. As you inhale, come forward into lizard. Exhale, pyramid. Inhale, lizard. 2 more on your own. Good, set the back knee down. Inhale, arms go up. Exhale, cactus the arms, broaden the chest. Inhale, arms go up. As you exhale, fingertips come down to the front of the mat. Sink the chest low. Inhale the chest up, straighten the right leg. Inhale to extend, and as you exhale, fold forward over the right leg, half splits. Replant the right foot, heel toe the foot into the middle of the mat. Pick up the back knee, curling those toes under. Begin to shift the weight forward until you pop up onto the right foot. The left leg goes up and back, warrior three prep. Drop the left hip down slightly, crown of the head extends forward. Good, come up to standing, sweep the left leg high, grab hold of the left knee with the right hand, extend the left arm behind you, open twist to the left. Good, untwist, set the left foot all the way to the back of the mat. Inhale, both arms come up, crescent lunge. I like to keep a slight bend in the back knee. We're tucking the tailbone under here. On your inhale, see if you can straighten the arms, and as you exhale, maybe you can sink even deeper. On your next inhale, left arm comes forward, right arm goes back, revolved crescent lunge. On your next inhale, reverse the arm so the right arm goes forward, left goes back. Drop the left heel down as we open into warrior two. Gaze is over the front hand. Continue to engage the glutes, tuck that tailbone under. Let's reverse our warrior. Right hand comes up and over the head. As you exhale, right elbow, right knee, left arm goes up and over the head. Inhale, Skandasana to the left, bend the left knee, right leg goes straight. And as you exhale, move back to the front of the mat, plant the hands, step the right foot back, plank pose. On your next inhale, shift forward. As you exhale, lower down knees, lower down chest. Inhale, the chest comes up, forearms go forward, Sphinx pose. Replant the hands beside the chest. Curl the toes under, hips go up and back, downward facing dog. Deep inhale through the nose. Let it out through the mouth. On your next inhale, left leg goes up and back. As you exhale, round forward, step the left foot to the outside of the left hand, lizard lunge. Again, you can bounce here, rock left and right, just helping that fascia to release. On your next exhale, extend the left leg straight into pyramid pose. As you inhale, come forward into lizard. Exhale to pyramid. Inhale to lizard. Two more like this. Good, as we land in lizard, let's drop the back knee down. Inhale, both arms come up. As you exhale, cactus the arms open, broaden the chest. Inhale, arms go back up. And as you exhale, Fingertips come to the front of the mat. Lower the chest down slowly, feeling that stretch in the left hamstring. Inhale the chest up. Lengthen the left leg long. Chest goes forward, and as you exhale, fold forward for half splits. Replant the left foot, chest comes up, heel toe the foot into the middle of the mat. Frame the front foot with your hand. Tuck the back toes under, lift the back knee off the mat. Begin to shift forward until you pop up onto the left leg, warrior three prep. Right leg is back and straight. Drop the right hip down slightly. Crown of the head extends forward. Good. On your next inhale, sweep the right knee high. Grab hold of the right knee with the left hand. Right arm extends behind you. Twist open to the right. Good. Untwist. Set the right foot all the way to the back of the mat. Inhale, both arms come up. Crescent lunge. Right arm comes forward, left arm goes back, revolved crescent. Now let's reverse. The left arm comes forward, right arm goes back. Drop the right heel to the mat as we open into warrior two. Keep a generous bend in the front knee. Glutes are engaged, gaze is over the middle finger. On your next inhale, let's reverse the warrior. Left hand comes up and over the head. As you exhale, left elbow comes to the left knee, right arm goes over the head. Inhale, Skandasana to the right, bend the right knee, left leg goes straight. And as you exhale, move back to the front of the mat, frame the front foot, step the left foot back, plank pose. Feel the weight on the inner edge of the hand. Curl the tailbone under. Engage the core, push the mat away. Seeing as to how this is our last chaturanga of class. On your inhale, shift forward. As you exhale, let's lower to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the bottom, pause for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, push into up dog. And as you exhale, downward facing dog. Good, deep inhale through the mouth. Deep inhale through the nose. Let it out through the mouth. Look to the front of the mat. Walk, step, jump forward. Feet are hip width distance apart. Lower the hips down, Malasana. Lower the hips down, shins come up, feet pointed forward, arms extend forward, broaden the chest, boat pose. Let's go low boat, lower the legs, lower the back. Back to high boat, low boat, back to high boat. Fingertips connect over the torso. Let's twist to the right, twist to the left for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to high boat. Good, set the feet down, hands behind you, fingers pointed away. Push the hips up, reverse tabletop. Head can fall back. Lower the hips down. Legs extend forward, come onto your back, extend the legs up. Grab for the outer edge of the feet, happy baby. Maybe you rock here to massage out the lower back or move in any way that feels good for you. Extend the legs long, arms by your side, roll the shoulder blades under slightly as we land in Savasana. Allow the breathing to return to normal. Thank yourself for showing up today, doing something positive for your mind, for your body, for spending time with me. I would encourage you to stay here for at least 2 minutes. This is where we absorb all the benefits of our practice. Again, stay for as long as you need. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me. I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.